Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make a good Prisma diagram for your systematic review and meta-analysis review. So this Prisma diagram is publication ready and totally editable. So you can see that it can be exported in PNG form, and you can simply change the results from here, and uh, it will be applied in this diagram, and you can simply download that diagram in PNG form and submit along with your publication. And you can come anytime here and edit this Prisma diagram. So what you have to do, you have to come to this workflux.com website. So I'm signing out first and showing you how to arrive to this website. If you want to search it on Google, search Workflux and you will have this website available, workflux.com, or simply you can type this link workflux.com. I will provide that in description too. So come here, and here they are providing a free plan, so you can simply create your account, click get free plan, or click register. So here you have to enter your full name, email address, password, and you have to register on this website. After registration you have to log in, and after logging in you will come to this dashboard. This will be a dashboard visible to you, and you can use this platform. Basically this platform is a complete platform for systematic review and meta-analysis. So I am just showing you how to make a Prisma diagram. So you have to go to all projects, and you have to create a new project from here. So let me put title of the program as this project as Prisma diagram demo. So I'm creating this project for now, and I will skip everything because this is the complete platform to search, make screening, analysis and extraction. I'm skipping this, and I will go to report and export. So in the report and export I have the option to make this Prisma 2020 flow diagram. So I have ability to enter these numbers. So I'm just putting random numbers to show you. You can put your exact details. So here you need to put your database searched, which databases you have searched. So I'm putting PubMed, Web of Science, Google Scholar. So how many duplicates do you have removed? You will enter something here, and in this way something here, and it will create your diagram. So how many reports were assessed totally? So you can see that uh, your whole diagram is ready. So uh, after entering all the datas, like you can see that the design is very beautiful after entering all the data. So you have to just click download PNG, and this will be downloaded in your browser. So this is downloaded and you can use it anywhere. So it's a very simple system you can use to make Prisma diagram. So it will take just 1 minute of you to make this diagram, and you can come and add it anytime. Like you can start again, you can enter different values, and it's almost changing everything. So I'm just putting random values. You have to put your own values, and this will be a ready to submit Prisma diagram for you.